Alright, in this video we're going to walk through how to create an account on the ESTN Esports tournament platform and how to create your team. So the first thing you'll do, since still in beta here, is go to play.estn.io. That's play.estn.io, and you'll land here on the main site. Then you'll see the sign up button in the right. You'll go ahead and click there. From there, you'll want to just fill out this short form, and we will get things going from there. So go to my go-to throwaway email address, very old one, crypto anon, create a password, and your country. Some of these are country specific. Let's go down to there and click continue. So thank you for registering. Please verify your email within 30 days. So I'm going to go ahead and check my email. All right, I just verified the email, and now we can go ahead and sign in. Great, signed in now. You'll see that I have my profile. I can come into my profile and go to edit. And if you want to start customizing, you can say, okay, let's go here. Keychain. All right, let's click here, and I'm going to make my profile picture something interesting. All right, so I've got my custom image there. You can fill out your name. Okay, date of birth. If, your wallet address and stuff will become active a little later as we get to connecting this to the blockchain side. But for now, you can just go to save, profile updated, and now you can go to my teams here on the left. You can also go to teams and my teams from up here. So what we want to do is you can select games that you specialize in if you want to kind of be found for being a player within those games. Shouldn't be required, but let's just say it is. Let's just say I want to be Apex Legends. But the key here is to create your team. So you'll click create a team, and again we will want to put in an icon, and there's my test little icon, and let's call our team the Biohazards. And let's say we are in the US. Alright, and we play competitive. We are in time zone, and I don't think this is really necessary to do the time zone, but for some gameplay that requires everyone starting at the same time, that might be the case. Join request, this is important. So if you don't set a password requirement, then like anybody and everybody in the whole world can come and join your team, which obviously you probably don't want. So I would just make it something easy, like we usually use ESTN, but you can make it whatever you want. And then if you were to have point the link to your team registration in your Discord group or to your group in Discord there, wherever, you can tell them what the password would be. So then you just click create group, and there we go. So now I have one member. That's my team. You can create multiple teams here, and a lot of times that's done to add other game specialties, but you can focus on that later. So you can edit team, view team. If you were to go to edit, you can come in here and change any of these parameters. But there you go. So now when I go to find teams, you don't show up here yet, and that's because if you want to be in a state where you recruit players, you need to do create what's called a team recruitment post. So let's say we want to find players to play in any of those games. This is the team. If you have multiple teams, you'd be able to choose here which one you want to allow people to join. And if there's different positions for that game, you can indicate those here or just leave it blank. Ranks, that doesn't really matter. Region is global. Countries. Languages, let's do English. And let's do casual. And whether you get paid or not. And you can put a message here like, you know, join our team. All right. So now you'll see under Find Teams, anyone that goes to find a team can see your team in the list here, and they would click Request to join, and the user would have to enter whatever password that you put in there. So that is how you create a team. Then from a user perspective, they would simply come to the platform, create an account just like you did, verify their verification email that comes to their email, and then they'd come to your page and click Request to join your team, and then they would enter whatever password you set. So that's how you create an account and create a team.